Master GT 63S, a proper emotional startup, you have to make sure that the exhaust is set on powerful. We are now in race mode, but Sport Plus race mode, it doesn't make any difference probably, so you can also have it in Sport Plus, but we are now in race. Then you have to pull this pedal here, pull, hold, and then start the car. It just gives you that little more excitement, a little more rumble compared to the normal mode. I'm going to show you the normal mode just now, without pulling anything, just starting up. I don't know if you can hear a difference, let me know in the comments if you do. And now if you just go to the back of the car, I'm gonna give it some revs in comfort, and then I'm gonna switch to race, and I'm 100% sure that you will hear the difference. You can hear the V8 sound is not dead. AMG has done an amazing job to give it that emotional V8 sound, and just listen to that. Listen to that. The beautiful V8 rumble here.